Bruh, we got to get TJ some Aflac crackers. Look good. You can see this stuff is gummy. A little glass education for us. There we go. Safety first. Ew. Oh, this is what I was really wanting to see.
I feel so good about myself right now. Yeah, that helped, bro. I'm at work. How am I bring you $20?
They gonna save my hairline right
Oh.
It's great. Shut up.
What's up, DCB fam? Welcome y'all back to the channel, man. All my new subscribers, man, I appreciate the love, the comments. Y'all hit that notification bell, because man, this series is gonna get better and better every video. I'm just having a blast doing this, man. I hope y'all having a blast watching it. If you didn't see the first episode, you need to go and check it out. We had a couple of surprises in the beginning of the video, but man, we had a blast doing the video, man. Y'all go check it out, and I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on right now. Pretty much, finally got this hood out the way. Check this hood out, man. The hood is in awesome shape. A lot better shape than normally you'll see on a 68 or 69 Camaro. You got the grill off, header panel off. This is the sprawler that goes on the trunk. I think this is front bumper, back bumper. Let me see what else we got over here. We got the trunk. Trunk is in awesome shape. I don't even think it has a dent on it. So pretty much get these fenders off, and once we get the fenders off, I got the glass getting cut out. Gonna get all this trim off. Gotta get the glass out the doors, and let me see, we got get the back glass off. Pretty much just getting this thing ready to be blasted. That is gonna be the next step. Once we get the car fully disassembled, I got a local shop here in town that's gonna do all the blasting and powder coating for us on the car. As I explained in the first video, the frame itself is gonna get blasted and powder coated. All that's gonna be just a nice, clean black. And pretty much right now, this is where we at. We got these trim. There's some rusted screws on them, so we had to cut them. So we're gonna have to replace the trim, which ain't a big deal. But here's some brackets. These are for the front bumper. Here's your hood hinges, covers for the headlights. These are brackets for the front bumper. This goes on the front fender. Got all your hubcaps, wheels. We got everything bagged and tagged, as we say over here at Don Flame Body, so we don't lose track of nothing. But like I said, everything's moving pretty cool. TJ's gonna be here in a minute, and we're gonna get back on this thing and get it ready to get blasted. You can kind of see all these gaskets on this thing. It's just brittle, just falling apart. But we're gonna change all that and put some new gaskets once the car is completely painted and we reassembling everything. But the only rust I'm really worried about on the car is this area right here in the trunk. There was some carpet here. I don't know if you can see that, but there was some carpet in here, and from these gaskets being just brittle, it just let the water come in it and got a little surface rust going there. So hopefully we can clean that up. But we're gonna get this party started today. Check it out. Come on, TJ, what you doing, man? All right, grab that. Got a little spot for that. See how these things work. This one kind of jammed up.
Yeah. I think you can take this whole thing out.
Yeah. See what Nate tearing up over here.
Toyota, man. They got all kind of motors.
I know, huh? Got hit high in the front. And this is buckled way back here. All this pushed over this way. So we're gonna have to cut all this off. Replace all this. Man, this stuff is. Did you see how flimsy this stuff is?
Yeah, I know. I seen that.
I mean, it's like real flimsy. Got some birdness in here too. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bruh, did a golf ball just fall out of this thing? Man, this golf ball just came out this fender. Wow.
How you think that got sick?
I don't know. That's crazy. Look what just popped out the fender. When Nate took the shield off the bottom, I just heard something go. He just did this. Just pop clean out. Man, put that man golf ball back in his.
I got one.
What you did, man? Don't hurt yourself now.
That'll be so tough.
I do enough.
I know. We're going to get TJ some Aflac.
Did you see that?
Oh, he probably just had a heart attack.
Right off of that phone.
This is why I just told this young man to put some safety glasses on. It could have went in your eye, bro.
Yeah.
Let me go get the face shield for you.
Put a diaper on and give him a bottle.
We can't be having no insurance claims on this car. A human fatality. There we go. Safety first. Oh, yeah.
Hey, that sucker blew off, sir.
Trying to find my boy TJ. He's supposed to be working right now. TJ, where you? Man, TJ under the hood. TJ, you everywhere, bro.
Be like that sometimes.
Oh, okay. As long as you working, we good. Man, crackers look good.
Bro.
Take your last one, bro. My stomach growling. Uh-oh. We're getting some act right now. Yeah, I started playing with them, but they ain't want to do nothing for me. Should be original glasses on this bad boy. Got all kind of stuff in there.
You've never been done before.
Nope.
Oh, it's brand new glass. I mean, brand new, but original. That's all I want to say.
Only way we can tell if it's really been original or not is if it ain't got glue. It don't have no glue on it. I need you inside to push up so it don't glue back down. There you go.
Just like that. Seeing work makes the dream work.
A tape kit, not glue. Never dries.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Back in the day, people were running and flying through them. That's
What?
why the federal government got in it and made it regulated to glue.
Wow.
Certain kind of glue, whole 9 yards.
Well, it's a little glass education for us. You can see this stuff is gummy. Take one.
Whew, got that done. Least amount of problems. My car has to get better. Oh, I could imagine it was even worse in here. I know it was worse in here. Ew. Son, my car is so trash.
Aftermath of the burnout. All right, let's see what Keith did. All right, Keith did a little something. He left some tire down.
Dude, you blew holes in the concrete.
Golly, bro.
Man, I'll tell you one thing about tires. Oh, they about to
What
save.
you gonna do with that tire,
Man,
D?
they gonna save my hairline right
Oh,
there.
there we
Can't
go.
even see the bald spot.
Bruh.
Can't even tell.
He look like Mr. T.
Can't even tell.
Bro, that's what I'm talking
I might
about.
need a little bit fix these holes in my beard.
Well, hold up,
man, let me
yeah.
see chill,
Go
man.
ahead,
Get
man.
him
If
straight.
you need some more, just grab some more.
Yeah.
It's on me. Don't even worry about it.
Courtesy of Bridgestone, man. You
A
have
Bridgestone toupee.
Get it right good.
You
Yeah.
look like Mr. T.
Instead of man in a hat, man, what is that?
What is that?
All right, so this Nate. So Nate took the concrete off, bro. Oh, definitely put some tire down. Oh, all right. Let me see what little troublemaker did, man. Yeah, bro, ripping that concrete.
That's crazy how like you and Nate's car did that.
You know why they did that, huh?
That's that Chevy power,
That's that Chevy power, baby.
Hey man, time out. That's only because they got a tune. Wait till my tune coming.
Hey,
So tune.
if I'd have had my bike out here.
Yeah, all right. Bro, look at that. I left a whole piece of tread down here, son. Man, look at that. Ew. All right, back to work.
Hello? I'm at work. How am I bring you $20? Yeah, boy. Yeah, everything else grinded off this. We just got this little screw thing. Is that Devin?
That's the man in the
You
hat.
know good. Go ahead. Gotta be hot. It's great. It's great. Shut up,
TJ!
I feel so good about myself right now.
What you forgetting right there?
Oh, you know what's funny? I knew something else was over here. I just couldn't tell.
You do, right?
You know what'd really been funny? If I was on the side of y'all in the terrain doing a burnout. Ooh, that'd have been live. Yeah, that hell broke. And we should be good to take these off now. Hard work paying off. Yeah.
Go forward and out at the same Let's see. Let me see if I can get these wires out.
Let's see what we got in here. We got factory shims. Two more down there. So we're gonna take all these shims and we're gonna put them in a bag and label them shims. Because we're gonna need them when we go back with the bumper. Yeah, that radar support. Here's the blower. It blows all the AC and heat.
Looks like it's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, everything looks good. This is what I was really wanting to see. What I was really concerned about. Everything looks good in here though. So we got the glass out. Gotta clean all this tape out of here. It's gonna be a mess. Just gotta finish getting these little trims off. Like this little trim, all this little outer trim.
Yeah, you got a new one of those.
Got a new one.
Yeah.
All right, DCB fam. Man, that about wraps up the second episode on the 67 Camaro. Pretty much we got fenders disassembled, all the inner shields disassembled. We got the glass out. Still got a couple of knick-knack things we gotta get out the way. But man, this thing has been fun to take apart. A lot of the bolts were rusted. We knew going into this we was going to have to replace a lot of bolts. But it is what it is. We got a couple little rust spots right here. We're gonna have to either try to repair that or replace that radiator support. We're gonna blast it first and just see. But other than that, man, everything looking good. I appreciate y'all watching this second episode. I hope y'all enjoyed it like we enjoyed it. Make sure y'all subscribe. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit me with them likes, comments. And man, look, y'all have a blessed day, and I'm gonna hit y'all on the next one. Peace.